Today, I got the Owleys Pup Spot Dog Car Seat and Pet Seatbelt for my dog. Let's unpack it together and see what's inside. Inside the first box, there's a seatbelt, and from what I can see, it's nylon and the material looks quite durable. There's also a part with an elastic spring rope, which is great for sudden stops. The clips and hooks are metal, and the length can be adjusted. Inside this box, there's a Pup Spot Dog Car Seat. It's made of soft eco leather, the padding is dense and elastic, and on the bottom, I see some kind of rubber anti-slip coating. The hooks are also metal, and the straps are nylon, I believe. The material feels really nice. I hope my dog loves this. Now, let's get both products installed. The installation is quite simple, quick and straightforward. First, I needed to fasten the strap around the backrest, then another one around the headrest. Finally, I attached the belt to the seatbelt buckle, and that was it. The minimalistic design of the dog seat looks great in my car, and I love how nicely the products match each other. I really like that the safety belt is installed with a buckle, which proves a secure design. Now I can rest assured that my dog will stay safe during the ride no matter what happens. When we're on the road, I see that my dog feels very comfortable and cozy with his new Pup Spot, and that's the most important thing to me. So I can totally recommend purchasing both the Owleys dog car seat and the seatbelt.